My keyboard collection grows every day, but this $55 mechanical keyboard from Apple Maker might be the best one yet. This is the Aula F75, and this is a 75% mechanical keyboard with amazing keys. This 75% keyboard is super compact, and it has a tri-mode connectivity, which is the USB dongle, Bluetooth, as well as the wired connection. This mechanical keyboard is amazing for gaming as well as productivity, plus it is very affordable on the TikTok shop right now. And if you want a sound check, that's definitely creamy. So if you're willing to give this a chance, you can find it down below at the bottom left corner.